This video will show you how to create an account in Kanopy. Kanopy is an application that allows you to watch independent films in many languages, documentaries, Hollywood classics, as well as educational resources such as the Great Courses. First, go to the library's website, tenaflylibrary.org. Scroll down, click on the e-library link. Notice this page allows you to access all of our e-resources. Click on the Kanopy link. Notice you're now on the Tenafly Library Kanopy page. If your home library is not the Tenafly library, you may still have access to Kanopy, so check out your library's webpage for more information. Scroll down, click on Add Library Card. From here, you'll type in your library card number. Use all the numbers with no spaces. Click on Continue. The next page will ask for your name, an email address, and a PIN number. Each Kanopy account needs a unique email address. So a parent, for example, can't use their email address for all their children's accounts. Again, each account will need a unique email address. Once you enter your name, email address, and PIN number, you'll be sent an email and you'll be asked to verify your email address. Just follow the instructions. It's very simple to do. This is the Kanopy homepage. You can see it's set up very much like Netflix if you've used that. You have a lot of categories. If you don't like the ones you see on the screen, click on this arrow. You can always go back by clicking on this arrow. Another way to browse is to click on Browse, and you can see the many categories they have set up. In addition, you can type in a title here. You can see I just started typing in the title and I get many matches. Once you find the title you like, you'll get to a detailed screen which shows you lots of information about it. Click on Show More to see the entire description, including running time, year, rating if available, filmmakers, etc. If you're sure you want to watch this one, just click on the arrow and it will begin. However, do make sure you really want to watch it, because as soon as you click on the arrow, you'll be charged a credit. Now you might ask, what's a credit? If you look up to the right of the screen, this shows you how many items you can watch per month. Right now, Tenafly cardholders can watch 6 items per month. Now, one bright spot is Kanopy does allow credit-free watching. So you can watch these items and you won't be charged any credits. Kanopy also has a kids option, content created specifically for children. And you can set up your account, which is right here, with parental controls, so that your children only see content that is created for them. So Kanopy is pretty easy to use. Lots of stuff for you to watch. One last thing, if you run into trouble or have questions, you can click on Support at the very bottom of the screen. And you'll get a list of frequently asked questions and categories, which will hopefully answer all your questions. So I hope you'll give Kanopy a try. There's lots of great movies and documentaries to watch.